We'll guide you through how to add a printer or scanner in Windows 11. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are in Windows 11, and so you want to go and add a printer or scanner. Once you've completed this, you can then go and print to it or scan from it. We're going to guide you through this step by step. So first of all, whether it's a wireless printer or wired, if it's wired, make sure you go and connect it. If it's wireless, what you need to do is make sure it's connected to the network and your computer is connected to that same network as well, which mine is. So let's go and say I open up Word. I go to the top left and go and press File. I go down and press Print. We can go and see the printer is not appearing here. Also, if I go and say come into Chrome, where I've got a document open or another web browser, I'll press File, I'll go down and press Print. You can see it's not showing in the destination list. So to go and resolve this, what you need to do is we need to come to the bottom and press the Windows Start button, find Settings. If it's not in pinned, search for Settings and click on it and open it up. Now, what you need to do is come to the left and you can find Bluetooth and devices and you want to go and click in here. Now what you need to do is you need to go down and you want to go and find the option for printers and scanners and you can go and click in here. You'll go and see the ones which are currently listed, but what we need to do is go and press Add Device to the right. Now it's going to go and start searching. As you can see, it's going to find my printer here. So what we can then do is go over to the right. We're going to go and press Add Device like so. Now go and wait. It's going to go and connect. And what's then going to happen is it's going to connect and it's going to go and get the drivers that it needs for it all to go and work. So all you need to do is go and wait. The process shouldn't go and take too much longer. Now you can see it's installing. So it's installing whatever it needs. And that's it. Now just go and keep waiting. It looks like it's installing something else. And you can go and see the printer there. And that's it. It's now ready. So just to go and show you that we can now go and start using it. For example, if I come into Word, let me just come and close out of this. I'll press File and then Print again. Then you can go and press Printer and you can see I can then select it and I can go and start printing to it. Alternatively, if I come into Chrome, I'll press File in the top left, go down and press Print. You can go into Destination. If you still can't see it here, you may need to go and press See More. Then we can select it and then we can go and print. It's that simple. We successfully added it. And of course, you can go and use the scanner as well.